Nigga better not say your fate. Bitch, do not ask a pie. I was walking down the aisle on my 2 feet, he ain't give me no ride. Niggas fake, that shit be crazy. How the fuck you know my paw? Nigga fake like he my cousin, cause I got paper out that paw. Hey, why you the post up with that gun? Sort off, but he ain't gon' use it. Split the block on the ATV, jump out in that drink, so y'all to abuse it. They know I'm not really a rapper. Pull up kids.
Video, you already know, let's get into this banger. And guys, right now, your boy Kev is about to do this video. And the title and the thumbnail, you already know. I'm sliding the Hello Gen cat, bro. The Hello, what is it called? The Hello Gen. Yeah, but right now we're about to start it, but we're gonna be sliding each shit I make. I'm gonna slide. So let's slide this turn right here. But anyways, let's keep going. Where should I go? We can try and go back. Okay, I'm trying to figure out a place to go to. I'm making another video tomorrow, but it's gonna be like, I'm gonna show you one more thing again, like about tomorrow. Like I think it's one car. It's gonna be one car, and then it's gonna be, what is it again? It's gonna be one car, and then it's gonna be one house. So I'm gonna show you that. I mean, 2 houses, but I'm not gonna show you the third. It's gonna be 3 houses, but I'm not gonna show the third houses. I won't show 2 of them, but this car fails. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of lagging. Dang, I'm lagging. Ooh, slow down. I'm trying to rev in here. Let's rev in here. Imagine this being real life, bro. It would be a crazy hit, bro. Slide this corner. I take cars really bad, bro. Like, seriously, bro. I'll treat them bad in games, bro. Look at this. This is going way too crazy. Guys, let's try to slide it. Sorry guys, I'm a little bit laggy, but come on, let's go. Hey, keep going. Go back. The video actually might be fast. They try to drift all the way to like the gas station and back. They try to get it, like, slide the cat all the way back to the gas station. I would say glass station. Oh my god, bro. Gas station. Woo, look at that. They over here sliding. Let's try to slide. Even though if I'm wasting my time. Let's go. Hey, go. Hold it. Woo, hold it. That's such a nice shot. Yeah, it is. Get away. Get away. Yeah. I might be like, I think I just said the bad word. I think I said damn, but I think at the same time, I think I said damn. Damn. Oh my gosh, he's on my butt. That's it. Yo, he's sliding. He's hopping out because he was about to crash into me. Oh, bump. Bump, bump. Bump. God dang. Dang, I just flipped. Oh my gosh. They asked her to like demon. Let's light right. Let's light right here. Oh my gosh, I'm almost freaking let it off, bro. Come on, we need to make this. Come on, let's do a donut, and they're gonna go straight for it. Okay, after the donut, we'll go back here the wrong way first. We gotta go the wrong way first. Like that 360. Okay, keep going. Keep going. I'm not fine, bro. I'm not cool, bro. Look at this. Slide it. I can't. Yo, god dang! Imagine that being actually in real life, bro. You would see like boom down, bro. Sonic. Oh my gosh, Sonic. Why would you do that to me? Sonic, I know you're fast, bro. I know you're fast. Whose car is that? Oh, that's that. It's it's Hello Twins. I mean, wait, what? I think it's not. Yeah, it's this car right here. Corn's cat. I mean, that's cat. Yo, they get off of me. Hop off. What's bro doing? Who do you think he is? Who do you think he is, bro? See, you know what I'm talking about, bro? I'm richer than everybody here, bro. Everybody. And yeah, everybody, bro. You know what's crazy? Yeah, bro. I'm on that. You see, I got this cat. 707 horsepower. Slow cat. Slow cat. Slow cat. Come on. We need drift this thing. Hood open. Feel me? Leg maker. That red thing in there. Feel me? No, it can beat me in the race. Feel me? Look how fast over. Yeah. Go. Hood open too. I just realized, bro, we have to go all the way back to the gas station again. Oh, to end the video, we have to go back. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh, this is like a secret way. I think I never showed you guys, but that's a secret way to get to the houses. Sorry, I got to unlock it, bro. Next time I'm joining a low server. Look how much people are here, bro. If I blow my motor up, bro, I'm rich, you feel me? I'm richer than freaking John Cena, Joe Biden. Oopsies. My car actually blew up. It actually shut off. To turn it back on and turn it off is right here, but I can't press F. Look what I'm pressing F. SNF. Spamming it. It's not working, bro. I actually booted it up. See, bro? This is what I'm talking about, bro. I can fix this engine, bro. Like, I can pay someone to do this, bro. I can pay them $1 million, bro. Word, bro. Actually, I won't pay someone $1 million, bro. I would just say this. I'm richer than John Cena. I don't know why I'm saying this, though. It's so awkward, bro. I don't know why I'm saying that. I'm actually richer than... Okay, I'm richer than freaking Joe Biden.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
If you think who's gonna win, I don't know if I'm gonna win though. Joe Biden or that girl, I don't know. But anyways, I'll pick the girl. But toxic hop. Ain't bro, just drop off. Look at these tracks. God dang. This track's 4. Bro's all the way down there. It's already going. Ooh, it's about to be loud. It's about to be loud in here. ZR1. Oop. Okay. Rev. Ooh. Oh, he's trying to burn my legs. God dang. Come on, get out of this car, bro. You trying to burn my legs, bro. Get the frick out of here. Get out of here, bro. Damn. Sorry for saying DAM. God, no, come here. Look at the door open doing this, bro. But I hope you have a good time. You feel me? See, I will fix this car like next week. Feel me? Yeah. But anyways, your boy Kev is out. Peace.